Hello friends, welcome to another excited video of Accessible Computing, Access to Technology with Accessibility. Hi, this is your Tech Assistant Ratul. Today I am going to demonstrate or I am going to show you a very important thing, and it is quite advanced, but I will show you step by step how to exclude any files and folders from a Windows Defender. But before showing anything, let me tell you what is the problem, and then I will provide the solution. The problem is sometimes we have some applications or some softwares which we need to install. We know there are no malwares in the softwares, but sometimes Windows Defender recognize that file, the executable file, as a virus or as a malware. In those cases, you have the problem to install the software. First option you can do, turn off the virus protection, and the second option which I'm going to tell you today is you can exclude particularly that software that Windows Defender will not check. How to do that you are going to learn in this video. So like the video, share the video, and if you come to my channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe button and turn on the bell icon, choose all notification to get latest videos. You are invited to join our Telegram channel to get more tips, more applications for free. Before going to start, let me clear you that I am making this video only for educational purpose. If you use this trick for any illegal purpose or illegal activities, the channel authority or the video owner will not be responsible for that. So let's start. For this, we are opening Windows Defender, but we will open Windows Defender by going to the search bar.
Start window, search.
Here I am typing virus.
Level 1 virus and threat protection system settings.
So this is the virus and threat protection. So now I am pressing enter here.
Windows security window. No threats found.
No threats found. So I am pressing tab.
Scan option allowed threats protection history link. Virus and threat protection settings grouping. Manage settings link.
So go to manage settings.
Virus and threat protection settings.
I
Real-time
press enter.
protection toggle button pressed.
Real-time protection, if you turn it off, then the protection is turned off for a limited time period. Okay. After that, I am pressing tab.
Cloud delivered protection toggle.
Cloud delivered
button
protection
pressed.
tab.
Automatic sample submission. Submit a sample manually link. Tamper protection toggle. Learn more link. Manage controlled folder access link. Add or remove exclusions link.
Add or remove exclusions link. This is our option. So I am pressing enter here.
Secure desktop.
Now I am giving the user permission.
Windows security window. Get help link have a question. Get help link have a question. Get help link focus.
So I'm pressing tab.
Give us feedback. Privacy set. Privacy back button. Close navigation list. Home not selected. 1 of 8 settings. 2 of add an exclusion button.
Add an exclusion. So I'm pressing tab again.
See Windows System 32 SPPX.com.
See, this is the exclusion list. Okay, so if I press down arrow.
See Windows System 32 SPPX.
If I press down arrow.
Rattle Basak folder collapsed 3 of.
So I have given this folder into the exclusion list. So I'm pressing enter here and I am removing this.
Expand D. Rattle add an exclusion.
I have removed this. To remove this, just press enter on that, then press tab once, then press enter again. Okay, so this is the removal process.
Add an exclusion button focused.
So to add any folder to this exclusion list, you have to click enter on add exclusion button.
File 1 of 4. File 1 of 4.
Now here is 4 options like file. If you want to particularly add any file, you need to choose
folder 2 of 4.
Folder.
File type 3 of 4.
File type. Here you can just type the extension and you can add the exclusion list. Okay. After that,
process 4 of 4.
Process. So these are the 4 options. I am going to folder. So if I press on enter on folder, now here the folder dialog box, the standard dialog box is opened, and I want to choose my folder.
App room not selected. One rattle item audio software bank 5 of 7.
Yes, so software bank. So I want to add this folder to the exclusion list. I'm pressing tab.
Name split button folder. Select fold cancel button. Select folder button.
So I'm clicking unselect folder button.
Windows security window. Add an exclusion button.
Let me check whether it's added or not.
Exclusions list. C. Windows System 32 SE. D. Rattle Basak Software Bank folder collapsed 3 of 3.
Yes, now it's secured. I mean, it's away from Windows Defender. Windows Defender will never look in that folder whether there are any malware or any viruses are present or not. So make sure you have to use this feature very carefully, but don't use this feature in any illegal activities. Okay, so this is for today. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching till the end. Thank you, friends. This is Ratul signing off.